The area of a rectangular banner is 2661 square inches. The banner's length x in inches is 24 inches longer than its width in inches. Which equation represents this situation? Okay, let me write the length. According to the given information, x represents the length of the banner. And let me write width. Let's assume y represents the width of the banner. Okay, now we can consider the information we have over here. That is the banner's length x in inches is 24 inches longer than its width. That is x equals to 24 more than the width, 24 more than y. So it can be written as y positive 24. Okay, now let's solve for y in this equation. For that, we have to subtract 24 from both sides of the equation. Then positive 24, negative 24 will cancel out. I am getting x negative 24 equals to y. Here I got the value of y in terms of x, that is y equals to x negative 24. So that is x represents the length and x negative 24 represents the width. And we know that when I multiply the length and width of the rectangle, that is equal to the area. Here the length is x. Let's plug in x for the length over here. And for width we have x negative 24. Let me write over here. And for area of the rectangle we have 2661. Let me plug in this value for area over here. Okay, now we can distribute this x to this x and negative 24. Then we get x square and negative 24x equals to 2661. Now let me subtract 2661 from both sides of this equation. Then this positive value, negative value will cancel out. I am getting x square negative 24x negative 2661 equals to 0. So this is the equation which represents a given situation. And I find this equation in answer choice A. So the correct answer choice for this question is A.